Imagine a world where glasses and eye drops aren't your only options for vision health. Welcome to the realm of natural herbal remedies. The key is to understand the causes of vision loss. Think bacterial infections, diabetes, or vitamin deficiencies, among others. Gingko Biloba is not just any antioxidant. It improves blood flow to the retina and can be a boon for glaucoma sufferers. Coleus, containing forskolin, works wonders in reducing eye pressure, a critical factor in managing glaucoma. Pair these herbs with essential supplements like vitamin C, E, and zinc to give your eyes the nutrients they crave. Lutein and Zeaxanthin are carotenoids that protect your eyes from oxidative stress, essential for long-term vision health. Promoting eye health doesn't require a fortune. Simple lifestyle changes can make all the difference in preserving your vision. Sunglasses and hats aren't just fashion statements. They protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. A diet rich in carrots, kale, and sweet potatoes provides the vitamins your eyes need to stay sharp. Stress management and avoiding cigarette smoke also play crucial roles in maintaining good eye health. Natural remedies aren't overnight miracles. Patience and consistency are key to achieving the best results. Consult with eye specialists open to holistic approaches to ensure you're on the right track. Combining vitamins, herbs, and a nutrient-rich diet can slow vision loss progression by up to 25%. Always read labels carefully when choosing supplements to ensure you're getting the right nutrients. Be mindful of potential interactions between different herbs and supplements to maximize their benefits. Remember, a well-balanced diet is your foundation for maintaining excellent eye health. Your vision is a gift. Explore natural remedies and consult your doctor to keep your eyes shining bright.